Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm at the 63 burger and steak, and today I'm going to try out the burger challenge right here. So pretty much I have to finish the burger in 15 minutes, so that's going to be pretty easy, I guess.
For you it's really easy, but for
Yeah.
me it's not.
So 500 grams of beef patty and smoked bacon and cheddar cheese, lettuce, peppers, tomatoes and all that, and just a fries. I mean 15 minutes, that's like a regular size American burger, so let's do that. I haven't ate any burgers for the past couple months, so this is going to be pretty fun. You're going to have the same thing, or?
No, I'm not going to do it for you.
Okay.
Did you finish it? I don't think so. 15 minutes for the whole meal. Give me the clockwise. Ramen snack.
How about a burger?
8-minute slack. How do you feel?
The fun is killing me. I gotta give up.
Give up? Okay.
I think I can finish it, just not under 15 minutes.
I don't think you can finish it in 15 minutes for the whole meal.
15 minutes. But still, for the price, that's worth it. I'm gonna take my L. I'm gonna pay for the meal, but let's try to finish it anyways. Now, we finish the burger, but not in 15 minutes.
I mean, you just finish the bread only, not the burger.
I don't want to eat the bread. Let's stick with the patty and just not the bread anymore. I mean, at least I finished the Coke in 15 minutes. I think that's what made me full, you know. Just all the gas. That's why you probably shouldn't drink the Coke, but your mouth gets dry. So.
3, 2, 1. 15 minutes.
Nice. Nice try. You're coming back for a second try? So that was a that was a good try, I guess.
Yeah, it is, of course.
I think I finished
You just finished with half of them.
70%.
30%, yeah.
70%. Yeah, so 70% of it.
70%? I don't think so.
Yeah.
50%. I don't know.
I
You
finished
envision
the
it.
yeah.
Right.
So the patty.
70% should be-
So I guess the thing is that just don't take more than you can, you know.
But
What's the
actually,
Yeah.
when we just come over here, I thought you can finish the whole meal in 15 minutes. No problem with that.
Yeah, I know I can finish it
Because-
too, but
You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Like, usually you can finish 2 or 3
yeah, but
meals.
that's you know.
For the McDonald's thing, right?
That's about life, right? You just gotta try everything. Even if it doesn't work, you still gotta try it, I guess.
Of course.
Right, so that was pretty fun.
Okay.
Yeah, see you in another video.
Same time. Bye.